Hey guys, let me show you what kind of day I've got going on. The weather is kind of turned to crap on me. Yeah, big old snowflakes coming down again. There's a Wally B sitting there, got him all turned around, back on all six. Just done went and turned white on us. May have to start some of those inside projects, and the list is long in there too. I need to get me a selfie stick. My arms aren't long enough. I can't tell which look through the bifocals, up or down. Hope y'all have a great day. This will be my first snowbeard video.